Maybe coin. Will you able to win as many coins as possible? Maybe. Maybe coin has no owner. The only owner is the community. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel.
Please stop.
Today, another Telegram bot, another opportunity, a free opportunity that I would like to share with you. And I hope you will search this and try this new Telegram bot, new tapping bot. No? So tap, be regular, collect rewards from tasks, invite your friends, family, and everyone you know. We will reward the entire community with coins as the community grows in order to maintain fairness. But as always, this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purpose only. You have to research first before joining any free tapping bot in the Telegram. So maybe coin is a tone coin. We will be engaged in evolution of the Telegram ecosystem at its peak and of Web3. Maybe coin, the start of the great story, maybe. So you can click play or join the community or join their Twitter account. So first we have to click the join community. We will see. So the community is already have a 102.3 thousand subscribers. Okay. So the celebration of the maybe coin bot is almost here. So they have an update in a few days. The daily combo will be available in the app to earn even more coins in 1 to 2 weeks. An additional functionality will appear. The request to add the maybe coin app to the Telegram app has been submitted. We reached 210,000 players in 10 days. To support maybe coin and so that we can have a collaboration with other project, please join the Twitter. An engaged community is important to grow quickly. Thank you for your support. So remember, this is a new, no? So I thought it's only 1 week. So you have to try this. Remember, it is only free, no? Then you can join their Telegram. So they want to open. Okay, so you can open. So I already member of the Telegram. So let's click play. So this is my dashboard. I have already a robot, no? So I have already a maybe coin 4 million. So referral, then they have their tasks. So under the task is the main labels and referral task. So in the main task, if you click main task, join our channel. So they give 100,000, join the Twitter, join the channel tone, join channel not coin, then early users. So join channel Telegram news, join channel the Open League. Then of course in tap, so this is tapping. Then why I already have a bot tap, because I buy boss, no? So ultimate boss total times 2.5, but in this boss you will pay 0.4 tone token. So this boss allows you to multiply your balance total by times 2.5, but you have to pay 0.4 tone. Okay, so tapping 40 then multi-tap level 14 500,000 and the limit 13 level 400,000, then reload speed max level I already, then tap boot I already have. So but if you want to increase the tap for the robot is you will buy 0.4 tone. Remember the 10 token today is $7 if I'm not wrong. Then you can check the stat. So this is my stat. My balance is 4 million. The total that says 234 billion. Total players 236,000 in just 10 days. Then online players is 600. Okay. So Then in the main task, aside from main task, we have the labels. So claim, I already claim Grandmaster 1 million, then Legendary 2,500,000, but it's not yet reached. Then referral task. So if you can invite one friend, you have 10,000 up to, if you can invite 100,000 friends, you have 10 million maybe coin. So maybe coin, maybe it will like the not coin. Remember, not coin is nothing. The developer, they say that the not token or not coin is nothing, but as we say today, not coin has already a value, no, 0.01 or 0.02 if I'm not wrong. So maybe this, maybe coin will have also their value if they're already only listed in the Tone ecosystem and listed in any DEX or centralized exchange. Okay, so I will put my link in the description, and of course you have to try this, but always research before trying this new Telegram bot. Then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my small channel Crypto Joel, and always hit the notification bell for uh, notification or notify if ever I will publish any new video regarding cryptocurrencies and the Telegram tapping games or tapping bot. Okay, thank you and have a good day to all.